Yo, what is going on, guys? Aaron here, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because I do car stuff. I'm gonna take a little detour because my garage here gets literally uninhabitable.
Oh, hell no!
And I'm gonna be doing a whole new wrap on my car that actually shipped today, and so there ain't no way in hell that I'm gonna be in that garage for that many hours without any kind of moving air. Yeah, I didn't feel like going to the ghetto-ass Walmart, so we're gonna go up north a bit, and we're gonna go to the nicer one that they have over here. We're gonna go to the bougie Walmart. They've got this one, which is pretty dope. And they've got the Evo, which I haven't seen not in a long time. So it's pretty cool. And then they've got the Stars and Stripes collection, but they only have 6 and 4. That's pretty cool. Too bad it's Batman. That's pretty neat. The Ford GT is so baller though. Bronco's cool too, but the GT, sick. This one's actually pretty dope, and it's not too expensive either. Okay. All right. Please check tires. How about nah? Reset that light. All right, so I'm gonna just gonna drive home. Let's go ahead and fast forward. Whoa, and just like promised, we teleported home. I backed it in so I could keep the hotter part of the car, which is obviously the engine bay, closer to the exit. So we can hopefully have the air go that way instead of wafting inside of the garage. So I have this giant LED. It used to be the backer for an Xbox sign. But I acquired it, and I'm gonna hang it up on the wall here. So I'm gonna use my phone real quick as a level so I can get a nice line drawn on the wall, and then yeah, we'll put some screws in the wall and we'll hang it up. Hey, that actually works pretty good. Actually looked works pretty good. It's like, it's really secure on these screws, but I might mount something down here just to keep it from shifting at all and then falling off. But otherwise, I mean, that's not going anywhere. Nowhere. Yeah, let me throw something in the bottom of that real quick, and then I'll route the cord a little better, and it'll be game. Alright, so I'm sure the apartments won't like the extra holes in my wall, but fuck them, honestly. I also I picked that up, put it on the windowsill, so it's just off the ground. I don't know if I'll figure something else with that later if it bothers me, but honestly, it's out of the way. Cord's all wrapped up, so yeah, could honestly care less. It works. Let's see what it looks like with the light off. Dude, that's so cinematic, bro. That's pretty sick. That's honestly really sick. So now when I'm doing, I can do car photography in here. Shit. Yes, sir. Honestly, it'd be nice if I had another one, but on this back side of the wall. So I had one on that far side and one over here. Obviously, it'd be even better if I had 4, but I don't have 4. 2 would be great, but shit. This is badass. A little easier on the eyes. More energy saving. And it's, it lights up. Even just this, like, it's a little bit darker, but the whole garage is lit. Instead of, that's brighter, but only over there. So it kind of balances out, honestly. But yeah, I dig it. I think it works out pretty mint. All right. Took the rose gold off of the fender, and you can kind of see where it was a little bit burned from when we first wrapped the car. But yeah, so I'm gonna take it off of that side real quick, and then it'll be ready for the new color. All right, guys, I literally connected an RGB light into my garage. So whenever I open and close the garage door or walk in and out of the garage, RGB. Just a little bit of an extra feature here to add to my garage here. But yeah, guys, I am excited for the new wrap to come in. Very excited to show you guys the new color, and we'll continue to work on the garage and make it really, really badass. And yeah, so anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not, and I will see you guys next time. Drink water and be safe.